Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover deleted conversations on Google Gemini. First, unlock your phone and open the Google Gemini app. This is where all your AI conversations are stored and managed. Make sure you're signed in with the correct Google account before moving to the next step. Now, tap the two horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu where you can view your recent conversations. Here, you'll find the chats that are still available in your account. After that, you'll see a list of your recent chats. Simply tap any conversation to open it and continue reading or chatting from where you left off. This works only for conversations that still appear in your recent chat history. If you permanently deleted a conversation from Google Gemini, it cannot be recovered through the app. Once it's permanently removed, there isn't an option to restore it. However, any conversation that still appears in your recent chat list can be opened and viewed at any time. And that's how you can check and access your available conversations in Google Gemini. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.